Hey everybody, we're out here. We're here with Lee. Lee's been learning how to weld. I've been showing him some stuff. How you like welding so far?
It's interesting, a little tougher than I thought.
Yeah.
It's moving along.
So I thought this would be a good opportunity to introduce the new Optrel Ready helmet. This thing is their new entry-level welding hood. It's super affordable. I think it retails at $150, but if you jump on optrel.us and use our coupon code Hutch's Welding, you'll get this thing 30% off. Lee's been using some just kind of random, older helmets that I had around the shop, and I feel like this was a good time for him to upgrade and see what he thinks about the new hood and
See where we go.
see what he can see.
The way it comes on and the ratchet, the way it locks is nice. Doesn't loosen up. It's comfortable. Wow. I can actually fucking see. So that's the difference being able to see.
Yeah. It's they got like a clear technology to it.
It's extremely clear. Comfortable.
Yeah, it's the first thing I noticed, that it's lightweight. So what you think?
It's light. I can see out of it. It stays in position. It's comfortable.
Yeah, man.
It's nice.
All right, guys, quick little wrap up on the Optrel Ready helmet. This thing's been super awesome. We've been using it around the shop. This is a great opportunity for you guys to get into an amazing brand at an affordable price. Head over to optrel.us and use code Hutch's Welding for 30% off. That puts this thing right at around $100, which at this point, I don't know why you would choose anything else. I mean, the sticker says it all. See better, weld better. They use awesome clear technology to be able to actually see what you're welding. And if you can see it, you're definitely going to weld better. So I appreciate you guys watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thanks for everyone's love and support. We'll catch you on the next one.